Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to achieve a beautiful ash gray hair color. Getting this sophisticated shade requires careful steps, starting with preparing your hair correctly. We will go through the crucial process of pre-lightening, which sets the foundation for the color. Then, we will discuss toning to eliminate any brassiness. Finally, I will share tips on applying the ash gray dye and maintaining its vibrancy for weeks to come. Let's get started. The first and most vital step is pre-lightening your hair. You need to lift your hair to at least a pale yellow, which is a level 10 on the hair color chart. Using a good quality bleach with a 20-volume developer will help achieve this. Always perform a strand test first and watch your hair carefully during the process to avoid overprocessing. This ensures a clean canvas for the ash gray. Once your hair is lightened, toning is next to remove any remaining yellow or brassy undertones. Choose a violet-based toner, as violet cancels out yellow. Apply it evenly to damp hair and let it process for about 20 to 30 minutes, or as directed. Always follow the product instructions carefully. Rinse with cool water until the water runs clear, preparing your hair perfectly for the ash gray dye. Now for the exciting part. Applying your ash gray dye. Ensure even saturation for consistent color. Let the dye process for approximately 30 to 45 minutes, following the specific product instructions. After rinsing, switch to sulfate-free shampoos and conditioners to protect your new color. To maintain that stunning ash gray, plan for root touch-ups every 4 to 6 weeks. Enjoy your beautiful new look.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.